Alright, so I got the bearing in, the new bearing. Seems to be nice. Nice, pretty good bearing. You can see it's fitted right in there all the way. So, I'm going to go ahead. I got all my parts over here. I'm going to go ahead and start sliding shit into it. Got my new seals too, so I'm going to flip it over. And the oil one goes in first with these little nubs facing out, with the spring side in. As my understanding is, the side with the pressure gets the spring, as it helps push it down in. So they came out pretty easy, so I'm gonna guess they go back in pretty easy. And look, and push it right in with my hand. It's pretty good. Definitely dealt with a lot worse. So that's actually pretty nice. Alright, this is the coolant one. And from my understanding, from the factory, it's put in backwards, like this, which doesn't hold the pressure of the coolant coming from this side, which allows it to leak. So, it's supposed to go in like this. With the spring side on the outside. And that's that. I can go ahead and shove my shaft through. Yeah, got that in there. Now, I'm gonna find my spacer, wherever the hell that went. I'm sure when I was pounding the bearing in, it fell off. Because this one definitely ain't it, I don't think. Nope. Alright. Now comes the hunt. Well, I'll find that in a minute. I just want to pretty much show you guys how to put it back together anyway. So, like I said, I had messed the gear up anyways. So, there's that nice new gear. So, that'll replace that. But anyways, as soon as I find a spacer, I'll put that back on. But there's a spacer that goes back here, underneath the impeller. So, make sure you don't forget that. And the shaft has a notch in it, so it only fits on one way. And the cap nut holds it all together. Yeah, this is just temporary until I find that goddamn spacer. But anyways, you guys will at least get the gist of how to work around it. This shaft goes into that shaft, and the wheel has the grooves in it that keeps it from spinning on the shaft. Line them up, slide her on. And try to make sure it's kind of even.
Pros. Also beautiful for your age. Rich. Doctor. Access to pills. Cons. No access to pills. Cons.
Well, I'll tell you what. You just can't get that thing to plop down in there.
Key to the apartment. Has a very nice underwear drawer. Very neat and organized. Do you have a key to my apartment? Cons.
There she goes, that dirty little whore. Alright. So with that popped down all the way, there is a little notch on the shaft. As you can see it right there on the bottom, where the snap ring holds it on. So like I said, I gotta find that spacer for the impeller, and then I'll put it all together permanently, and that'll be that. So that's how the water pump on a 530 EXCR is put together. Pretty simple. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you guys need any tips or help or anything, I can try. I'm not the best at this stuff, but I'm pretty mechanical. And look what was under the cardboard. The fucking spacer. So I'll take it back off and I'll put that back on and get it all tightened up and send it back into the bike. Thanks for watching, guys.